my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to our English class. Today we will study English Primer, Chapter 5, Vowel Sound of O. Speak loudly. Hot, pot, float, goat, coat, boat, fox, toy, lock, top, dog, dot. Read aloud with vowel O. Mop, top, pop, hop, hot, pot, cot, dot, ox, box, fox, box, toy, joy, rock, sock. Learning skills: odd, mod, rod, pot, god, not, hot. Oak, joke, dog, frog, smoke, clock, blog. Up, mop, top, hop, shop, stop, flop. Oat, boat, coat, got, blot, flot, trot. Hot, pot, lot, hot, not, caught, dot. Oi, toy, boy, coy, soy, joy, hoy. All, cold, fold, gold, hold, told, fold. O, soap, soak, clock, coach, load, loaf. Let's do the exercise. A. See the scene and fill in the blocks with missing vowels. A cat was playing with a dog. They had blocks. One goat came. There, the goat wanted to play. The cat asked it to stop. The goat ran away with the blocks. B. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. The boy is playing with a dog. The lady is in a boat. The goat is sitting on the log. The man is wearing a coat. I hope you enjoy learning.